Hey, in this video, I'll do a quick review on Binance. This is my Binance review, and currently I've used it for a while. I've used the futures trading, I've used the mobile app, margin trading, everything you can possibly try to use. I've used the light version, the pro version. I'll show you the pros and cons. But before we start, just give me a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you're new. And also, if you're new to Binance, you can sign up for it with the link in the description down below. Helps out the channel, it's an affiliate link. So yeah, and with Binance, you get the lowest fees. Currently, Binance is the exchange with the lowest amount of fees. If you go on just Safari and just type in lowest spot trading fees crypto, look what comes up. You have, Kraken and Binance. Binance is 0.1% in fees, ranks number 1. Kraken is 2. Then you have CEX, Bittrex, Coinbase, Bitstamp, Poloniex. Before Bitfinex, if you used to use crypto, and tried crypto 4 or 5 years ago, just like me, you may have used other exchanges, but now Binance is the best. And I currently personally use it. All you have to do to use the first, let me show you how to use the simple one. Let's say we want to buy some BNB. All you got to do is click on BNB, click on trade. It's kind of like Robinhood. Click buy, link your card. Buy, and then you can just buy it via card directly. It takes like a few seconds if you've added everything up. The next thing you can do is use the professional option. So switch Binance Lite off, and what you want to do is just click on trade. For example, click on spot. Let's buy some Bitcoin, or again BNB, to make it kind of the same. BNB, and we want to find it for USDT. Here it is. You want to make sure you're on spot, not on margin. So not margin here, spot. And you want to either buy for part of your currency. And I'm currently invested, if you're wondering, I'm currently invested into TRX and XRP and some ADA. But yeah, to buy it, you can just buy the amount, USD worth amount here. For example, let's say for $10. Click on buy, and that's all you have to do. It's a simple tutorial. If the video helped you out, you can give me a like, and I want to see you in one of the next videos.